Let's take a look now at the difference between two very similar and quite useful Irish verbs. Dúirt and dinish. So dúirt means said and dinish means told. Dúirt originates from the irregular Irish verb abair, to say, and dinish is the past tense of the regular Irish verb inish, to tell. Each has their own preposition to be used, and with abair and dúirt you would use the preposition le. So abair lum, for example, means say to me or let me know or even tell me. The preposition that is used with inish then is do. So dum, dit, do, di, that one. Inish dum, for example, means tell me. Inish dum. The verbal nouns are always a useful way to grow your confidence and ability in spoken Irish. So the verbal noun for dúirt and abair is raw, so ará or egrá. A sample sentence like that would be Ní gá é sin ará. Ní gá é sin ará. That means it goes without saying. So the verbal noun is the action of saying in this context. Moving on to inish, the verbal noun there is ag ancient. Ag ancient, that means telling. Ag ancient brag, telling lies. Ag ancient brag. Cad é a dúirt sé. What is it that he said? Cad é a dúirt sé. Dúirt sé go raibh sé in am imeacht. He said it was time to leave. Dúirt sé go raibh sé in am imeacht. You'll notice there I didn't use the preposition le because I wasn't specifically referring to him or her or they or whatever. But if I had said dúirt sé lum, for example, that means he said to me specifically. And dúirt sé leat means he said to you specifically. But because I didn't want to specify the person there, I just left out the preposition. And that's the option you have with the language. Moving on then. Inish dum cad é an aib. Tell me what is the problem. Inish dum cad é an aib. Dinish she dum nach raibh she sásta ar scoil. She told me she was not happy in school. Dinish she dum nach raibh she sásta ar scoil. So you'll see there I specifically used the preposition do, and part of the preposition specifically was dum to specify that she was talking to me. Dinish she dum. She told me. So if you enjoyed this video and you found it useful, please give it a thumbs up. And why not let me know in the comments section some of your sentences that you can use with the verbs dinish and dúirt. I'll be back very soon. Slán go fóill.